MFLO1 sliding door wheels, new style, optional installation. Visible and invisible. Fixed adjustment screws and buckle on both sides for quick adjustment and easy installation. Visible install. The panel does not need to be slotted. Easy installation. Invisible lenstall, the panel needs to be slotted. Embedded wheels. Small gap between two panels, aesthetic design. Two installation method are suitable for one products. One purchase to meet all your needs. It solves the problems of long time pushing and pulling. Which are easy to deform, cause damage, and trip. Metal edging design in the new buffer. Innovatively design of the front buffer. Allow the minimum single door width reaches 300 millimeters, compared with 500 millimeters minimum single door width central buffer. The front buffer is widely used in all kinds of small panel sliding doors.